This 2019 Keystone Montana High Country 373rd is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, awning, slide-out, refrigerator, oven, microwave, skylight, auxiliary battery, DVD player, external shower, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Montana High Country 373rd is 12,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.